Hi everybody. My name is Pamela Pierce, and I'm videoing from Crestview, Florida. Of course, it's nice and hot down here right now. Why I chose to take this class as an elective. I've always had a strong desire to work with families and children. Um, I used to have a really strong desire to work with them in like a child protective services realm. But right now, I'm doing my field placement in a youth detention center, and I have just found a love for working in that type of environment and with this population. Every day, I hear stories of child neglect and maltreatment and abuse, and I'm seeing how um, these how that type of those types of behaviors are affecting these children and how it transpires into their lives every day now. And so, what I hope to learn and see the connections even deeper and really understand the impacts and how to help the kids even greater on a greater level and to really understand how I can help the families as I prepare them for reintegrate, the youth to reintegrate with their families, and how I feel about child abuse and neglect. I feel it's complicated. There's many emotions. There's many agencies. There's many dynamics. There's not really a right or wrong answer to that question. um, there's just so many different inner workings to neglect and abuse when working with families and the victims and the abusers per se. Um, that it's just very complicated, I feel, and so there's just very many different aspects that go into it. And so I just hope through this class that I can get a better understanding of all aspects. Um, so I wish everybody the best, and I look forward to getting to know everybody a little bit better over the class and through the class. So thanks so much for listening. Bye.